Hello everyone, this is Gloria from Shanghai ACNTRUCK Enterprise Limited. Today we are in Shanghai Luojin Port and we have one unit XCMG XE155WGA wheel excavator here. It will be delivered to Armenia. Now come with me and have a look. Here behind us is XCMG wheel excavator XE155WGA. Its rated capacity is 14.2 tons and the rated bucket capacity is 0.58 cubic meter. The boom length is 4.6 meters and the arm length is 2.1 meters. Our client chose to increase the arm length from 2.1 meters to 2.5 meters. So the digging depth can increase from 4.6 meters to 5 meters. This is one kind of excavator's optional configuration, Quick Link. The Quick Link can help the excavator to quickly change and install the optional configuration such as breakers, reapers, and buckets. This excavator is equipped with Cummins engine and its rated power is 108 kW. The high engine power can help the excavator to have higher working efficiency. The excavator's cab is equipped with a new air conditioner. The cooling and heating capacity is stronger and the noise is lower. The large package seat and integrated armrest box design relieve work fatigue and improve long-term work comfort. Above all is all content today. XCMG machine has lower energy consumption and the easy maintenance. If you have other machine needs, please contact me at any time. Thanks for listening. Bye.